I'm Alec. My favorite plant is the Ming Aurelia. This is the variegated parsley Ming. I really like them because they kind of remind me of Zen, and like I'm just kind of laying in a Japanese garden and I can just kind of zone out and relax. So I really like that about them.
This is the totem pole cactus, also known as Lophocereus scottii monstros. This is one of my favorite plants because it's a bit different than the regular cactus you usually see. It has no spines on it, which is pretty unique.
So this is the maidenhair fern. This is one of my favorite plants just because it's so fluffy and it feels kind of like hair, and it's adorable.
My favorite plant is the Sansevieria. I love how there's just so many crazy different shapes and sizes, and they're so easy to take care of, you hardly ever have to water them. I would say my favorite variety though is probably the Sansevieria pinguicola, which is the walking Sansevieria.
My favorite plant pick is begonias. I like all kinds of begonias, especially these angel wings, because they have these like crazy leaves. There's all kinds of different colors, and they got really cute little polka dots on them. I think they're kind of an edgy plant. They're an old school plant, but they really stand out with my other house plants.
All right, my favorite plant is the Monstera. This is a plant that's very beginner friendly. It's also a plant that experienced houseplant owners are gonna admire. Super easy plant to grow. Doesn't need bright light, though it will thrive in brighter conditions. It'll definitely grow faster. You start to get these inner fenestrations, and you're basically just leveling up your Pokemon at that point. Great houseplant, would recommend for everybody, and it's my personal favorite.